we run a summer residential program, and we have families from all over the UK who come to the Elizabeth Foundation for an intensive week in the summer, and we often invite our graduates, who are now young adults, to come and support us. And they come and give a session to parents. Just parents can ask questions about their lives, about their education, about are you married, do you have a girlfriend, have you been to university, all those things that parents really worry about. And these are parents of 3-year-olds who are now talking to young adults who are 23, 24 years old, who have cochlear implants, who are profoundly deaf. And one young lad was speaking at that session, and he just looked at all the parents and he just shook his head and he said, "I just don't understand why you're worrying. Stop worrying." He said, "I have an absolutely normal life. I've been through school, I've been to university, I have a job, I drive a car, I have a girlfriend. Stop worrying." And you could see all the parents, kind of a mixture of laughter and crying in the audience, because they were so inspired by what these young adults had achieved. We had a solicitor, we had an engineer, we had someone who was doing outdoor adventuring, we had someone who was teaching English to children in school who were struggling with their English. And these were all profoundly deaf young adults who were there to kind of support parents and say, this is all going to be okay.